This is my task code, and now I ran the Docker compressor to build the code. So it's take some time, and all the log details can see in here, and it's successful build up and see according log details. Let's see my project code file structure. I use this Spring Boot with microservices. So there are two services, consumer service and producer service. Each file contains some same file structure. Now you can see my code build up. So let's see one by one the file structure. In consumer service, you can see is the order stream of file. It's for the data model of Kafka message, and its file is the consumer service application. It's mainly class. It's the main class of the consumer, and it's listening to the Kafka message. And another thing is the order listener. It's also listening to the order topics, and if new order comes, this is run automatically. In resource files also there is application Java file. It configures the Kafka settings, and in the target file, it auto generates the Java classes. It is the Avro flux. Likewise, there are producer also inherent the same file structure. The special thing is the file is the producer control. With producer API import call, then it's created the new order object. This is the special point of the producer service. It's also having same structure as the consumer service as well. Another special thing is the Docker file. Docker file is people service. It's run inside the Docker. Then the for example file, it's including all the plugins and depending on all the things. So in Docker Compose, all the services run inside the container and communicate automatically. All the service ports things included in this Docker Compose file in here. You can see that service consumer, producer service ports, all the things including this Docker Compose files and other things you can see here. Let's go to the code terminal. So each services having log files. You can see the terminal, consumer, producer is separate terminals in here. So this is the Docker container. I created 6 containers in Docker desktop. I created 6 containers for this project. Here you can see in few minutes. Yeah, this is the Docker desktop, and I have created 6 Docker containers, and also I use Apache Kafka built-in UI. It's built-in UI from the Apache Kafka, and here you can see all the topics, message, these details in this. This is the Apache Kafka UI. So details in here. This is the dashboard and all the topics, brokers, consumers, screen registers, order. Let's go to the Postman. You can use Go or something, but I prefer use Postman. Now I added my producer post API endpoint and added the first order details in here. Order ID, the product and price, these things, and let's see how response coming. This you things, and let's see how response coming. And first time it take some time to get response. check whether it is successful or not. And you can see 200 produce. You can see our first order details, and let's put our next order. I put my second order details. Order ID details and price is 200, and send our product details, and is also successful. In UI also we have two orders and logs also. You can see the order two details, average price also in Docker logs. And let's put our third order. I put my third order details as well. I put price as 300 and send my request. You can see it's also successful for this order. And let's do the UI. Now you can see we have three order details and no retry or DLQ. And let's go to the code. You can see our third order details are also in here, and update average price also you can see in here, and 200. Let's send a bulk order to see whether it's real or retry these things. So I added 500 orders in produce API endpoint. So let's see whether it's okay or not. Before I added the bulk, there is a one order UI. You can see the only one message orders. So no any other DLU or retry order details in the UI. So in my system. So now I added, it's updated. I added 500 orders, bulk orders. Let's see how many things retry orders or how many things are these things. So my system is updating now. It's sorted by all the orders 501, and what are the retry things, messages, and yeah, let's go to the messages. Let's see what are the retry message count and their message order details also included in this Apache Kafka UI. You can see the order details, what are the retry things. It's still updating. Now you can see that there is a 2 DLT, but let's see in code. In code, you can see the Docker logs file. It's already updating all things. Let's see how many numbers included in here successful. You can see there is a consumers, what are the received these things. This is the last updated results. We have some DLQ and 3 orders. You can see what are the details of them. And all the orders are 500 plus 1, and only 3 is unsuccessful DLQ. So then all the successfuls are 498. You can see what are the list of order details in here. So in last you can see that how many order numbers are received for the consumers and average these things in here. This is the last one. In below also having some customized mistake. This below having some items also in few seconds. You can see that this is the last number of received order details. You can see what are the DLQs, orders, retry things, all things. In below you can see in this side 498 are received these details. You can see in Docker logs. So this is about the one task. Thank you very much.